Seen a bear go in the woods, look like a good sized one. He'll come out over here. There he is. Here comes the bear.
30 yards.
Looks like a good sized bear.
He's a very nice bear, but that's up to you.
Down on the ground.
No, just sit there. Oh, hold on. I can't see him. Don't shoot him. Stand up. Hold on, hold on.
Last second decision. Should I shoot? Why not?
Called it.
Did I make a good hit? I'm not sure. Yep, made a good shot. Only went about 50 to 75 yards. I'm here with Birch Meadow Outfitting. This is my second bear. The first one was 400 pounds. Shot it out of one of their beautiful stands. This one I told them I wanted to stalk. So we were out stalking, and after, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, we found them way back in the woods. Nice bear. This one I think goes probably, what, 3 something?
It's over 300.
The first one was 400. Have a great time with Ben and John chasing these bears around. Only took me 3 days, and I could have been done a lot sooner. But I was picky on the last one. I decided